Hi, I'm Mike Kelly, the Executive Director of the Oklahoma State Firefighters Association. Saturday, June 27th, we're wrapping up the Oklahoma City Retired Firefighters Picnic. We had a great turnout, probably 150, 200 people, reuniting old friends and family. It was great to see everybody and great to host it at your Oklahoma State Firefighters Museum.